There's a quiet hesitation many of us feel when we think about choosing ourselves. A pause, a second guess, a sense that we should explain or justify why peace matters to us. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a clear reminder for moments when your needs feel secondary to everyone else's expectations. You don't need permission to prioritize your own peace. This quote reminds us how easily peace becomes negotiable. We delay it, we defer it, we wait until others are comfortable, situations resolve, or circumstances improve. Somewhere along the way, peace turns into something we ask for instead of something we choose. Prioritizing your peace isn't selfish, it's discerning. When peace is absent, everything becomes harder, decisions feel heavier, emotions run louder. When peace is protected, clarity returns, you see more clearly what deserves your energy and what doesn't. Choosing peace doesn't mean avoiding responsibility. It means setting boundaries that allow you to show up with steadiness instead of resentment. It means recognizing that your well-being is not a reward for endurance, it's a foundation. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one place where you've been waiting for approval to rest, to say no, or to step back. Instead of waiting, quietly choose what supports your peace and let that be enough. Carry that permission with you as the day unfolds. You don't need validation to care for yourself. Peace becomes sustainable the moment you decide it matters. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Peace is a choice, not a concession. And boundaries protect what matters most. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.